October 16th, a date that holds a special place in Vermont's cinematic history. The magic of movies unveiled in St. Johnsbury, a story that will make you appreciate the art of filmmaking and its impact on small towns. On this day in 1992, St. Johnsbury, Vermont, transformed into a bustling movie set. Local filmmaker Jay Craven, with his unique vision, brought Howard Frank Mosher's novel, Where the Rivers Flow North, to life on the big screen. The adaptation process was a labor of love, and the result was nothing short of extraordinary. The movie, released in 1994, became an instant hit, captivating audiences and critics alike. It showcased the beauty of Vermont's Green Mountains and highlighted the talent of local filmmakers. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that the movie's success was due to its authentic portrayal of Vermont life, while others believe it was the director's unique style that set it apart. And this is the part most people miss. The impact of this movie extended beyond the screen. It inspired a new generation of filmmakers and artists, proving that small-town stories can have a big impact. So, what do you think? Is it the setting or the storytelling that makes a movie great? Feel free to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take on this cinematic journey.